Identifying MCC-compatible modules. It's important to use the correct MCC-compatible module for the job. WVOM modules. For the wireless valve link, there's only one wireless valve output module, the WVOM. It's fully compatible with MCC, HCC, and ICC2 controllers. ICM modules. Now let's look at the ICM 800 and ICM 2200 modules. To confirm the module is MCC compatible, start with the easiest clue, a blue dot on the box. New modules feature air vents on the front and a single foot on the bottom. They also include a double row of pin connectors on the back and are date-coded March 26th or later. These updated modules still work in HCC and ICC2 controllers, so you can stock one module for more jobs. Older modules lack air vents, have 2 feet, and use a single pin connector, which prevents them from fitting properly into MCC controllers. EasyDM modules. New EasyDM modules are marked with a blue dot on the box and are date-coded March 26th or later. They also include a dual pin connector on the back and an updated single-foot design on the bottom. This ensures compatibility with MCC, HCC, and ICC2 controllers. Older EasyDM modules have 2 feet on the bottom and only a single row of pin connectors, which prevents installation in MCC controllers. Before installing, confirm the blue dot and the dual row pins, and you'll know you're using the correct modules for MCC. To learn more, visit hunterirrigation.com.